The most important crypto event in the next year will be the Bitcoin halving, and it's expected to have a significant impact on the markets for all cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum. Currently, most Bitcoin halving date forecasts are suggesting that the next Bitcoin halving will happen in mid-April of 2024. At the moment, the Ethereum price prediction on CoinCodex is forecasting that Ether will be trading at around $4,100 on May 20, 2024 after a period of steady price growth. This would represent an increase of more than 100% compared to the current price of Ether. The algorithm is even more bullish on Ethereum 2 months after the next Bitcoin halving, as Ether is forecasted to surpass its current all-time high and hit a peak of $6,300 in June of 2024. To get a different perspective on Ethereum's future prospects, let's take a quick look at the Ethereum rainbow chart. If Ethereum were to trade at $4,100 right after the next Bitcoin halving in May of 2024, the price would be in the yellow band of the rainbow chart. This would suggest neutral conditions in the Ethereum market, so Ether wouldn't be either overbought or oversold in such a scenario. Now, let's take a look at how Ethereum has performed before and after previous Bitcoin halvings. Please keep in mind that Ethereum didn't even exist yet when the first Bitcoin halving happened back in 2012, and Ether has only been around for 2 Bitcoin halvings. The Ether market was relatively quiet during the second Bitcoin halving, which happened in July 2016. In fact, Ether saw a 25% price decline in the month leading up to the second Bitcoin halving. Following the halving, it showed a modest recovery, although Ether's price 3 months after the halving was only about 1.8% higher than it was at the time of the halving. The situation amidst the third BTC halving in May 2020 was much more favorable for Ethereum. Ether increased by 31.8% in the month leading up to the third halving. 3 months after the halving, Ether was up a whopping 88.6% compared to its price at the time of the halving. As we can see, the Ether price moved very differently around each of the 2 halvings, so we can't really draw any conclusions here. However, Bitcoin halvings are generally seen as bullish events and improve the overall sentiment in the cryptocurrency market even for other coins. So, it might be worth considering increasing your Ether stack a bit before the halving. Ethereum actually appears to be quite promising as a long-term buy thanks to a concept known as the Ethereum triple halving. Even though the Ethereum protocol does not have a halving mechanism, it does have features that provide deflationary pressure to its supply. Reduced Ether issuance under proof-of-stake consensus. Ether burning via the EIP 1559 upgrade. Ethereum staking lowering the amount of Ether that is effectively in circulation. These 3 factors have already contributed to reducing the Ether supply, and will continue to provide strong deflationary pressure as long as demand for transacting on the Ethereum network is high. Are you looking to buy more Ether as we approach the next Bitcoin halving, or are you betting on other coins instead? Make sure to let us know in the comments below.